Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Nissan Xterra S. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.